everybody, I'm Yiyi Master. Today, Yiyi want to share about Tai Chi for everybody. I think everybody have so many sports, but you know Tai Chi exercise for health changes anything change health. But I want share Tai Chi for one. Everybody, maybe you first know Tai Chi, but it's okay. I'm Yiyi, so very want share Tai Chi everything about health. Today, Yiyi want share Tai Chi from one. Open the foot. Here. Exhale. Here. Exhale. The upper torso up, hip extension, up extension. Net everybody, net body, it's energy. Smooth body, foot, rhythm your hands, circle, dry circle. Rhythm your hands, pushing hands. Maybe look for me. Pushing hands. Here, pushing hands. Here, pushing hands. Spin. Exhale. Spin. Exhale. Push hands. Wrist joint expand outward. Wrist joint extending outward. Span. Exhale. Exhale. Rhythm your hands. Pushing hands. Your crotch. Sink your crotch. Sink your crotch. Sink your crotch. Wiggle your hands, pushing hands. Sink your crotch. Wiggle your hands, pushing hands. Sink your crotch. This Tai Chi form, one first, it's so good, so interesting, so helpful. Must everybody extend, 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 extend body. No move. No, just it move. No. Just move. Don't wait. Extend. extend your body. Naked body is very, very smooth body. Thank you very much.